Did you know that it's never normal to leak when you cough or you sneeze, even if you've had like 5 kids? Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist, and I'm here to help you get control and agency back over your body. When we cough and we sneeze, it's really common that can cause leaking in people, and because it's so common, I think sometimes we think that it's normal. It is not. Whenever we're leaking, that's typically a sign that there is some pressure dysfunction, there's some muscle imbalances in our body, and there's so much that you can do to help correct those so you're not having to deal with this issue or let it get any worse in the future. One trick that I like to teach people to start when they're leaking, when they cough and they sneeze, is just a little movement that you can do with your pelvis and your body to help engage muscles and counteract some of that pressure imbalance that exists in your body. So this doesn't necessarily fix the whole problem, but it's in a great starting place, and it can make it so you're just not actually leaking in the moment, which is huge. So a lot of times when we cough and we sneeze, if we think about this part of our bodies, we're kind of spilling forward and pushing a lot of pressure down. So we cough, our pelvis tips forward, and that puts a lot of pressure on our bladder, makes it harder for our pelvic floor muscles to engage. If you can try to do the opposite, that can be so helpful in these moments. So when you go to cough, thinking about tucking your tailbone forward, pulling your belly button up towards your head, can be a game changer. Try out this movement, see if it helps, and if you want more help getting clear answers on your body, shoot me a DM and we'll chat.